Truck accident cases are different than car accident cases because of the very strict federal and state rules that a truck driver and his company must follow. At Mathys and Schneid, we understand these rules. We handle these types of cases, and we know how to use those rules to our advantage at trial.
Trucking companies train their drivers to take certain steps at the scene of the collision in order to avoid responsibility. That's why it's important to call, so that we can quickly preserve the evidence and prove that the truck driver caused the collision in order to maximize your recovery.